Hello everyone, my name is Dominic and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. Today I'm going to be reviewing the extended battery for our portable active GPS tracker. If you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com. If you would like to purchase this product, you can click on the link in the upper left-hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. This is our extended battery for our portable GPS tracker. This extends the battery life from 8 hours of drive time to 80 hours of drive time, giving you 10 times the battery life. This is a great addition for our extended battery with case for the portable GPS tracker. This allows you to have one on standby while the other one's in use. Alrighty guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that the extended battery pack for the UFM GPS tracker will come with. So I'll go ahead and open this up and get right to it. Alright. Okay, so notice we definitely got a couple different things. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the little brochure, which this guy pretty much just gives you all a little rundown as to how you're actually going to install the extended battery pack into your tracker. So it definitely has some good information if needed. So, alright, let me go ahead. I'm going to show you guys how you're going to charge the actual battery pack here. So you have your wall adapter and then the battery. So you notice there's two separate quote-unquote batteries for the unit. So the little guy here is pretty much just your adapter, which is allowing you to plug it into your tracker. So how you're going to charge it is on the little one here. You'll see it's got a little opening right on the side. So we're going to take our plug that bad boy right in. Okay. So now, if we look at the battery pack, you're going to notice it's flashing green. So this is pretty much your indicator letting you know that it is in the process of charging. Once that goes solid green, just like the 25 and 50%, that means that you're at your 75% marker and good to go. So this battery does take 12 hours to charge completely. So right now, since it's at the 50% marker, it's going to take about 6 hours to get up to that 100% point. So, alright, let me go ahead and I'm actually going to show you guys how we're to install this battery into the tracker now. So, okay, the two pertinent things that we're going to need that also came with it are the Allen key and a little rubber band. So, alright, on the tracker itself, there's a little clip that comes on it. So what you're going to want to do is you want to pull this tab out to kind of loosen it, and then you can slide it right up and out of place. So, here's our little opening, and we're going to go ahead and take that screw out so we can take out the battery. Oops. Okay. Put that guy right there. Alright, there we go. Okay. I think I got it. Perfect. Okay, so we'll take that guy off just like so, and we're going to go ahead and pop out that 8-hour battery that it comes with, okay? Alright, so now, before we go ahead and actually put in the 8-hour battery, what we're going to want to do is on the back panel, we want to finish taking that screw out all the way, and we're actually going to want to re-screw this back in place real quick, because that's going to hold the unit actually together for you. So we'll just re-screw this bad boy back in real quick. Okay. Oops. And I got butterfingers. Alright, there we go. Okay. Keep going. Alright. Just like so. We pretty much just want to get it nice and snug. Don't need to put it too terribly tight. Okay. So now we want to actually go ahead and put in the battery. Okay. So on the unit itself, if you take a look at the little battery here, we'll notice you have your 3 little silver contacts, and then inside of the tracker we have our 3 bronze contacts. Oh, sorry. There we go. Okay. So what we want to do is we pretty much want to match those two up. So we're going to match it up just like so. So it should look just like that, needless to say. Okay, and then here's where that rubber band comes into place. So pretty much what we're going to do, we're going to take that, we're going to put it over it, and then typically what you can do, you get a nice grip on it, double band right back over it, just for that little extra security so we make sure that that battery doesn't pop out, alright? Okay, so when we're going to actually use the tracker, the only main thing is we want to actually confirm that the hump, so we do not want this battery actually looking upwards. We want it to be sitting just like so. You can always take another rubber band, put it over the two to kind of keep them in place, or just whatever's easy for you at that point. And from there, you'd be all set and ready to go. The extended battery is a great addition to our portable GPS tracker, making it an easy choice. We do monitor the comment sections on our videos, so if you have a question about this or anything else, feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you at our earliest convenience.